Hey guys, my name is Jatin and you are watching Expert Tech. And this video, how to change your phone number on Blizzard.net. Now this video, step by step tutorial. So first of all, open the blizzardbattle.net and sign in. You can see top right corner soft working. Click now and go account setting and you see your information details, account details. Click and scroll now and you see phone number update and tap on. And are you sure? Click now OK and send your phone number security code and code submit and change your phone number. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.